Chatham Comfort Controls, your authorized American Standard contractor. Today we're in the 6500 block of South Washtenaw. We're taking out an old Rheem Trane unit. Today we're going to be installing something a little bit strange for us. Today we're putting in a Trane. I repeat, a Trane S9 V2, 96% efficient unit, variable speed blower motor, variable speed inducer. You can reach us at 773-842-4299, or you can find us online at localfurnaceinstallation.com, localboilerinstallation.com, localacinstallation.com. A+ rated with the BBB, multiple years of complaint-free awards. We'll let the customer explain this situation while we're putting in the Trane unit. We came highly preferred. I can't stress that enough in this situation. We came highly referred. Your Chicagoland authorized American Standard contractor. No job too big, no job too small. We do it all.
Mr. Woods, how are you today?
Good. How you doing, sir?
I'm well, thank you. Tell me, how did you hear about Chatham Comfort Controls?
Long story short is I had an incident in which I had a company come out, give my wife a quote, and they were unable to serve our area, and a friend relayed that Chatham Comfort Control would be able to come out and take care of us. He was very knowledgeable. He was conscious of time. He was also a very good communicator. He relayed what was going on, when it was going to happen, and he hit his deadlines. So that's very unusual these days.
Chatham Comfort Controls, heating and air conditioning, your Chicagoland authorized American Standard contractor. Formerly your authorized Chicagoland ComEd American Standard contractor. What we have today is an odd situation. What you're looking at is a Trane. I repeat, a Trane, which is made by the American Standard Company, which is owned by its parent company, Ingersoll Rand. You're looking at the Trane S9 V2, 100,000 BTU, 2-stage variable speed motor, 2-stage inducer motor. This is a beautiful, magnificent engineered piece of equipment. If you're looking for the highest quality, I would stick with this or the same model in the American Standard. They are the same unit. As I said, American Standard is the maker of Trane. American Standard, rated #1 in terms of reliability the last 18 of 20 years by Consumer Reports. If you have any questions, go to our website, chathamcomfortcontrols.com, or you can go to ccc-hvac.com. You can also find us at localfurnaceinstallation.com, localboilerinstallation.com, localacinstallation.com. A+ rated with the BBB, multiple years of complaint-free awards, over 150 to 200 installs every year for the last 6 years. No job is too big, no job is too small. If you have any questions, feel free, give us a call. Chatham Comfort Controls, heating and air conditioning, your Chicagoland authorized American Standard dealer. Chatham Comfort Controls, heating and air conditioning, your Chicagoland authorized American Standard contractor. Also, formerly known as your authorized ComEd American Standard contractor. What you're looking at today is a Trane 2-stage variable speed, 100,000 BTU gas furnace, model number S9V2C100. This is an extremely high efficient unit. This will cut your gas bill in more than half. You can find us online at ccc-hvac. You can also find us at localfurnaceinstallation.com, localboilerinstallation.com, and localacinstallation.com. Give us a call, 773-842-4299. Chicago, South Suburbs, 708-674-6313. Proudly serving all of Chicagoland, suburbs, and Northwest Indiana. A+ rated with the BBB, multiple years of complaint-free awards, over 150 to 200 installs installed every year for the last 6 years. There's no need to shop around. Give us a call. Free estimate, friendly financing. Saying most jobs can be done in
what
one
did
day.
Chatham Comfort Controls do for you today, exactly?
A little bit of oddity for them, but they installed a Trane S9 V2, 100,000 BTU furnace, and had to do a little bit of modifying for the ductwork and install thermostat with new wiring.
Tell me, Mr. Wood, would you refer Chatham Comfort Controls to friends and family?
The companies I own will be using them moving forward, yes. That would be 100%.
Wonderful, wonderful. Mr. Woods, I understand that you're a military veteran,
That is correct.
and Chatham Comfort Controls, as a rule, has discount pricing for veterans. Were you pleased with the price?
Yes. Their price was more than competitive for the market, and they were definitely, they walked me through the process on how they quoted it. Sometimes you're going to need a company, they're going to give you a quote, and it's going to be a bare bones price. You know, it doesn't break it down. John broke it down, and he was really good. You know, he followed with the intent that I wanted.
Mr. Woods, thank you so much for your service.
You're welcome, sir.